Hello, this is Jeremiah, Jeremiah. As earlier stated in the video, the first video about my product producing chin chin, the chin chin is now ready, and this is how it looks, courtesy of Whitefield Foundation in partnership with Coca-Cola. And I also appreciate the CEO of Whitefield Foundation, Mrs. Fumi Johnson. I really appreciate Whitefield Foundation for impacting this generation. Indeed, I can now boldly say I can produce chin chin without any form of supervision. This is just my first trial. I know my second trial will be better than this. Thank you very much, Whitefield Foundation. Thank you, the Fumi Johnson, and thank you, Coca-Cola Nigeria, for this opportunity. I look forward to producing more and becoming a great entrepreneur. Thank you very much.